What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 37 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, September 10th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week, but I'm sure there's plenty of blood in the streets for you guys, as there sure was for me. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. As of last week, I ended up having a balance of $13,008.21. We'll dive into where I'm at right now here in a second. See, go on the transactions tab. I did not purchase any more stock. I'll let my plays ride out this week. Again, just staying put to see how the market is performing the next few weeks or so. Again, this week was pretty bloody. I'm pretty sure all you guys got hit pretty hard. And also, I want to let you know that I did go back through Chris Sain's plays. I think he had a review of his plays, I want to say a week ago, and I went ahead and put them in my tracker in the app, which I'll show you here in a second. And you guys can either screenshot them or not even worry about it, or just take note of it. That way you guys can kind of see if his plays are really getting hit hard or they're not. Again, we don't know, well, I don't know how many of each play that he has in his portfolio. I have no clue how many shares he has in each one of his plays, but you can kind of see like how well they are doing. Options, well, speaking of Chris, I did do one of his option plays. It's called HUT, and it expires next week, so we'll see how that does. It may be a flop, but I'm always down for learning new things. And speaking of that, let me know down below, guys, in the comment section if you guys have ever done a covered call before, and if you enjoy doing them, or you think I should stay away from that, because I want to learn like different techniques too in doing options, because I've been learning just one specific style, and I want to kind of like branch out a little bit. So if you do know how to do covered calls, let me know down below, or know a great resource for it. So, and again, yeah, guys, deposits didn't do anything this week, so I'm still currently at 8,900. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. Your boy's currently sitting at 12,352.74 for the day, down 216.26. But for the week, almost down $700, which equates to a little bit over 5.3%. Buying power is at 55.2509. See, as I was saying before, when I deposit an extra $500 next week, I'll be sitting about 6,000. And let's see, let's go ahead and kick it off with AVPT. So AVPT, F point. See, for the week, down a little bit over 8%. Total return down a little bit over 30%, with the average cost of $14.40. The AMC killed it this week. Today up 3.38%. For the week, did very, very well, a little bit above 11.3%. Total return up 25%, the average cost of $40.03. Future FinTech, for the day, down a little bit above 4.3%. For the week, down a little bit above 15%. Total return down almost 34%, with the average cost of $363. See, Workhorse down 2.33%. I was really hoping this play would go up. That way I can average down a ton so I can get rid of it. But it didn't happen that way, obviously. It had a pretty weak performance this week. So hopefully next week it bounces back a little bit to where I can at least buy it on the way up. That way I'm not losing as much money, or I won't be losing any money when I try to average down. Total return down almost over 40%. Average cost of $15.12. And I need to hurry and get out of this thing ASAP. Apple, for the week, down 4%. Total return, I'm still up 17% in this play, with the average cost of $126.99. It got hit pretty hard. What was it, today, when that news came out about the apps? So I don't know how well or how bad it'll be impacted because of the news that came out today, but hopefully, I mean, I'm sure it'll bounce back, but actually, hopefully it goes down more so I can buy more of it. Crestwood Equity went down 2.3%. went down 2.32%. Total return, I'm still up over 55% in this play with the average cost of 17.48. Innovative industrial properties for the day down 3.61%. For the week, almost down 7%. But I'm still up over 500% in this play with the average cost of 37.38. And that sell-off was no joke this week. Then still have my option plays, sitting on those. And like I said before, guys, I went ahead and went through all of Chris's plays, and let me show you his list. Actually, here it is right now. So I'll let you screenshot this if you want, and you guys can track it on your own if you desire to. If you don't, no worries. So AMC, AVBT, FDX, let's see, CLF, BNGO, blah, blah, blah. But I'll go real slow so you guys can check it out. And again, if you feel like Chris is like way up too much and you see these things are red, then I don't know what to tell you if that's happening, because it doesn't make any sense if all his plays are red and he's still up, you know what I'm saying? So again, you can rewind this, screenshot it, and then track it yourself and see how well he does compared to you. Up to you how you want to play that out. But let's go into my account transfers, show you how much money I did not put in my account. Here you are, guys, with some of my completed transfers. As you can see, August 10th was the last time I actually put money in my account. And like I said before, I'll probably put $500 in it next week to have me at about 6K or so in my buying power. But if you made this far in the video, guys, give your boy the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the bell while you're at it. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.